video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced laptop script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now first, we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the install folder, then copy this image from here. Now open the QB inventory folder, HTML, images, then paste that image over here. Just like this. Now open the items folder. So in this video, I'll be installing it for QB inventory. So I'll be just opening this Lua file over here. After that, copy this line from here. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste it over here. Now open the shared folder. Then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. In the framework section, I'll be keeping it on auto. The item name is going to be laptop. And over here, if you want to enable the command to open the laptop, then you just need to change the nil to laptop over here. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's give ourselves the laptop over here. Now let's use this laptop. So as you can see, this is the first interface of the laptop over here. Now to open the laptop, we just need to click over here. And it will verify our fingerprint. And this is the first look of the laptop over here. There are lots of options over here for the laptop as you can see. First, let's change the language of the laptop. For that, go to settings, then click on this option, then select the language to English. As you can see, the language has been changed now. So this is the application for the email over here. You have to create a username. As you can see. And this is a calendar. And this is the application for notes over here. Over here, you can insert your own custom image. You just need to paste the URL over here. And these are the wallpapers of the laptop as you can see. If you want your custom image, then you just need to click over here and paste the URL over here. And these are the settings of the laptop. You will get lots of options over here. These are the widgets. If you want to turn off any widget, you can do it from here. And this is a section of about the laptop. This is the app store over here. Let's check out the games option. Here we have lots of games to play. As you can see. There are more games which you can explore it from here. And there are much more features for this laptop. You can explore it from here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.